To add a McDonald's gift card to DoorDash, start by opening the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the account settings page. On the account settings page, scroll down to the payment section and tap on Add Payment Method. This will bring up a list of available payment options, including gift cards. Select gift card from the list of options. You will then be prompted to enter the gift card details, including the card number and the PIN. The card number can be found on the back of the gift card, and the PIN can be found on the back of the card as well, or on the receipt if you purchased the card online. Enter the card number and PIN in the corresponding fields and tap on Add Card. The gift card will then be added to your DoorDash account and can be used to pay for future orders. To use the gift card, simply select it as your payment method at checkout. It is also possible to add a McDonald's gift card to DoorDash through the website. To do this, sign in to your DoorDash account on the website and click on the Account Settings tab. From there, click on Payment Methods and then Add Payment Method. Follow the same steps as on the mobile app to add the gift card. It is worth noting that not all gift cards can be used on DoorDash, so make sure to check the terms and conditions of the gift card before trying to add it. Additionally, be aware that gift cards can only be used on orders from participating restaurants, including McDonald's. By following these steps, you can easily add a McDonald's gift card to DoorDash and start using it to pay for your orders. This can be a convenient way to use up gift card balances and save money on your food delivery orders.